Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered who or what might be logged into your Google account, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through a foolproof, step-by-step guide to see every device currently connected to your Google account and how to secure it if something looks suspicious. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your account safe in 2025 and beyond. Open your Google account profile. First, open any Google service like Gmail or Google Drive on your browser. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture or initial. Click it. Manage your Google account. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your main account management page where all your settings are stored. Go to the Security tab. On the left-hand menu, click on the Security tab. This is the heart of your account's protection tools, and where you can review your sign-in activity. View your devices, scroll down until you see the Your Devices section. Here, Google shows a snapshot of the devices currently signed in with your account, like phones, tablets, and computers. Manage all devices. For a full list, click Manage all devices. You'll now see every device that has recently accessed your Google account, along with details like the type of device, operating system, and the last time it was active. Actionable security tips. This isn't just for curiosity, it's essential for your security. Review each device carefully. If you spot something you don't recognize, click on it and choose Sign Out. This immediately removes that device's access to your account. It's also a good idea to follow up by changing your Google password and enabling two-factor authentication for extra protection. And that's it. Quick, simple, and incredibly important for safeguarding your personal data. Now you know how to see all devices connected to your Google account and how to take action if anything looks suspicious. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and security guides. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.